A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said that since the illegal revocation of the occupied Kashmir's special status on 5th August 2019 till February 2024, the Indian troops martyred 857 Kashmiris, including 28 young boys. It said that the freedom icon Sayyid Ali Gilani and senior Hurriyat leaders Muhammad Ashraf Sahrai and Altaf Ahmad Shah were among the dozens of Kashmiris who died in the Indian forces' custody during the period. Authorities have beefed up so-called security, especially in Srinagar, ahead of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, Modi is scheduled to visit Srinagar and address a rally there on the 7th March. A week ahead of the visit, so-called security measures have been especially tightened around the Kashmir International Convention Center, located on the banks of the Dal Lake, the venue of the Modi's rally. All parties Hurriyat conference leaders have paid rich tributes to the victims of Zakura and Tangpura massacre on the 34th anniversary today. According to Kashmir Media Service, more than 50 people were martyred and dozens others were injured when the Indian troops had opened fire on the peaceful protesters in Zakura and Tangpura areas of Srinagar on 1st March 1990. Two girls were injured in an explosion in the Rajouri district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the girls identified as Tasveer Kausar and Saima Kausar were injured in a low-intensity explosion in the Dongi Brahmana area of the district. The girls suffered injuries in their hands after they fiddled with some unidentified substance while returning from the school, the official said. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has paid homage to the martyrs of Zakura and Tangpura on their martyrdom anniversary today. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC AJK leaders at a meeting presided over by the convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar in Islamabad said the Kashmiri people will not allow the sacrifices of their martyrs to go waste.